Did you know that Texas Parks and Wildlife has educational loaner trunks available for the public? One of the trunks, the Coastal Expo Kit, is available in Dickinson, Lake Jackson, Palacios, Corpus Christi, Brownsville, and Austin. These loaner trunks can be checked out by anyone and are great not only for teachers, but also informal educators like librarians and scout troop leaders. All of the activities in the Coastal Expo Kits are TEKS-aligned for grades 4 through 6. The Beach Goodies Kit is awesome for learning about the different debris, shells, and bones that can wash up on the Texas coast. We have here in this kit examples like bird skulls, dolphin skulls, sea turtle skulls, and even gator skulls, which allows you to learn about the different life histories and adaptations. If you look here, we have some shark and stingray teeth. Oh, be careful, they're sharp.
One of our activities that you can loan out from us is the bug picking kit. You can use this to identify the aquatic invertebrates in your creek or stream or pond. First you would need a safe access point, and then you would get in the water and pull your little seine, and then you would collect your specimens with your tweezers, put it in your petri dish, and then we have a little magnifying glass that we can loan out with it to look at your species closer. Then you can use the guide to identify them. So these bugs in this case are indicators of your stream health. Some are very tolerant of pollution, while others are very sensitive to pollution. So after you identify your species and you determine the health of your stream, you can discuss what causes poor water quality and point and non-point source pollution, which is increasingly important to understand our developed areas. Another one of the activities that you can get from us is the fish prints. You can use these to create paintings and learn new facts about the Atlantic stingray, the southern flounder, the sea star, the bluegill sunfish. And all of these little sheets have new facts about them, so you can learn about them as well.
So what you want to do is take the rubber templates that we provide and paint onto them, where you can then stamp them onto pieces of paper, or if you're feeling adventurous, a t-shirt or a tote bag. And again, we have the accompanying sheets with the information about the fish that you work with. Another activity we offer is the Coastal Critter Bingo, which is a great way to learn about coastal animals, their life histories, and some general facts about them. You can simply announce the species names, or you can give hints to increase the difficulty about the animal. For example, I am a fish and I have a whole week dedicated to me could be a great hint towards the hammerhead shark.
Another one of our activities is the backyard bass, where you can teach participants how to safely cast and fish. So for safety, you need a large open area with no trees or power lines, or go ahead and look for people and pets as well. They come with a specialized hook and specialized fish to be able to teach them. So to cast, you will go ahead and push your button down and you will release it as you throw. Here we go. Then when you reel in, it locks in place and then you're good to go. You'll reel in as fast or as slow as you want to and hopefully catch a fish.
So close.
That was a close one.
Oh, you got one!